Hey, what's up, everybody? In this lesson, we're going to learn one of the newer features in Adobe Photoshop, and that's enhancement to the object selection tool. These are some really game-changing selection enhancements to make your life easier when you're trying to make quick, easy selections. So you're going to go over to your toolbar and find the object selection tool or hit W on your keyboard. Then go up to the control bar at the top of the screen and look for Select People. Now, Photoshop has the way to detect the people within your scene. So when you click on Select People and you have one or more people in your scene, it will actually detect the individual people within that scene and allow you options to select them. But it gets absolutely better. So what you can do if you're trying to select a singular person is if you left click on that, you actually have the ability to isolate the selection further. So you can select things like the hair, eyebrows, the upper body, the clothes, the lower clothes, you name it. This is a game changer because now if I just want to select the hair and hit apply, it's just going to select this character's hair. I can then go add a new hue and saturation adjustment layer and then adjust the hair as I wish. How amazing is this? This gives you ultimate control of your image and really allows you to customize. It also allows you to select individual elements still with the object selection tool. So for instance, if I wanted to select just a shirt color here, I could click on that, go ahead and once again add something like a hue and saturation, and then change that color of that shirt as I wish. So once again, you can find this using the object selection tool, Select People, go ahead and give it a try, and you can select all sorts of elements with your characters in a click of a button. That's all for this really quick lesson today. I hope you enjoy and happy selecting.